Little 717 ain't gonna. Oh, shit.
All right, what it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight, I repeat, another slight video, man. Y'all look, as y'all see, it's 5:18 in the morning right now, y'all. All right, just want to give y'all boys a last drive in the Hellcat, y'all. Right, y'all see it, man. Can't believe I'm even saying this, y'all. Last freaking drive in the cat, dog. This makes no sense. Sheesh. So yeah, as y'all know, we going to pick up the Trackhawk today. You know, you got ice on the whip. I think it's like 29 degrees, y'all. Right, I wanted to leave by like 5:30. So we kind of accomplished that goal today, y'all. But hey, just want to give y'all boys the last final cold start, man. I'm recording off my phone, so I don't feel like being on my camera, but let's see, bro. Last final one. It's loud. It's gonna be shit. It's super cold too, y'all. Let's see. Sheesh. God damn. Sorry. Yeah, super loud, y'all. I was able to take the car to the shop yesterday and put the little side marker lights back on, so that's not bad, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, look at this, bro. Ice on the car, bro. Sheesh. SRT thing. Yeah, definitely wanted to leave y'all by smooth 5:30, man. So that's not bad. And man, I can't even move my damn. It's tough, bro. Man, ain't nothing like the SRT on a steering wheel, CEEFAM. Nothing like it. Trying to defrost my windshield, bro. I'm not looking forward to the winters in Germany, but honestly, y'all, this is perfect timing for me, man. Right? You know, all-wheel drive Trackhawk in Germany. Crazy work, man. Crazy work. But yeah, I'll probably start driving, man, and then get some, just get a couple slight pulls for y'all, man. Nothing too crazy, CEEFAM. Just want to, you know, give y'all my last reaction to the car. Driving it on the way. We got a 4-hour drive, CEEFAM. 4 hours. So, hey, stay tuned, man. A lot of cool footage, bro. A lot of little slight pulls. And yeah, we just gonna go from there. Look, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM. So currently, bro, I have about 2 hours left, dog. You know, man, I haven't really even slept. You know what? I slept like 2 hours, y'all. I went to sleep this morning at about 2 a.m. CEEFAM. Man, like y'all ever had that feeling to where it's like you know something's coming, right? So it's like you're just too excited to even sleep. That's pretty much how I was, y'all. You know, like yeah, I was tired, but like I had so much anticipation for just wanting to drive and just get there already, to the point to where it's like, bro, like I didn't want to fall asleep and then potentially miss my hit time or miss my alarm, or you know. So I was sleeping, but I was sleeping really light, y'all. So yeah, went to sleep at 2, got up at like 4:30, left by like 5:30, bro. You know, I had to take all the stuff out the car and everything like that too, CEEFAM. Oh, hold on, boy, let me see something. Yeah, I'm on stock intake too, y'all. So, oh, really? That's tough. I can't even open that bit up like how I want to, dog. Yeah, stock intake sounds horrible, but I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, damn, I was trying to get y'all boys a pull, but this little truck being a little, you know, that's tough, bro. Yeah, but anyways, y'all, like I said, I got slight 2 hours left. Hey, I ain't gonna lie though, this boy still pull with stock intake now. Don't get it messed up. That little 717 ain't gonna. Oh shit. Oh my God, look at Buddy. Really? Come on, my boy. I'm out of there. Yeah, y'all. Stock intake still. Hey, it still get the job done, CEEFAM. You know, don't sleep on them now. Don't sleep on your boy C-Will. You heard me? I can still get the job done with the stock thing. Now, it might not sound as good as that leg maker to open this boy up, but hey, we still getting to it, you heard me? But yeah, CEEFAM, man, honestly, I feel like I haven't really processed it yet, man. As far as like me giving this car away or trading it in or whatever the case may be, you know, I just hope that the next owner takes as good care of it as I did, you know, if not better, man. I would hate to let this car go. And shit, I got this car at 5,000 miles, y'all, 2022. I got it in 2024, but yeah, got this car at 5,000 miles, y'all. So I got this car pretty much brand new in the same condition that I'm about to get this Trackhawk in, y'all. So I haven't really fathomed like the thought of giving it away. I had talked to like one of my boys, and I asked him, I'm like, hey bro, like how did it feel to like trade in your M3 or whatever? He was like, shit bro, like once you start taking the parts off of it and you start like reverting it back to stock, it feel a little bit better to give it away, y'all. So that's kind of how I feel about this car now. Like once we took off I ain't gonna say all of, I'd say we took off about 70% of the parts that we were able to take off, right? It started to feel better, right? Every part that I took off, I'm like, you know what, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, you know what I mean, y'all? And shit, driving over there right now, that's really how I feel, you know? Like we put a lot of hard work, dedication, time into the car, y'all. A whole lot of thought. Wrapped it, put wheels on it, star lights, rear diffuser, front lip. Like, man, I could go on and on, y'all, right? Like, I don't even know how much money I spent on this car, man. You know, intake, man, just did so much to the car, y'all. You know, we had the rear tail lights that we didn't even get to put on. I have a shifter that's still coming in. Like, you know what I'm saying, y'all? A steering wheel too. You know, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all will see shit. I got a steering wheel that pretty much match these seats. So I'm gonna try to put the steering wheel that was for the Charger in my Trackhawk, man. And I don't know, my guy Hellcat Carbon, the guy that made my steering wheel, he was like, hey, it should fit, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we all use the same components. Trackhawks, Dodges, we all use the same components. I may just have to switch over this little cluster that's at the bottom right here, right? Because I know the Trackhawk has some kind of like lane assist. So see how like these right here is pretty much no buttons right here at the bottom. These three is pretty much no buttons, but on the Trackhawk it have like all the buttons are filled, if that makes sense. You know, these three are empty. So I may just have to switch this right here to my Trackhawk steering wheel. But I don't know, whatever, bro. Or take it off my Trackhawk steering wheel, put it here, well, on the new steering wheel, just to see how it is, CEEFAM. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to give y'all boys shit another light pull, bro. I got this little audience in the front of me, man. And yeah, y'all, like the speed, it is in kilometers, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh my, look at this dude. But yeah, it is in kilometers, y'all. So I don't want y'all to think, oh, see, Will, yo. So I don't know. I think like 130 kilometers is like 80 miles per hour, y'all, right? So I'm really just cruising right now, CEEFAM, just trying to get there, bro. I ain't trying to do nothing obnoxious, nothing too crazy, man. I just want to get there safe. It's like my third time driving to Ramstein or whatever you want to call it. So pretty familiar with the area, man. You know, like I said, we were stationed here 10 years ago, y'all. So yeah, this is pretty much my like neck of the woods, man. I'm going back to, y'all. So, but yeah, like I said, haven't fathomed giving the Charger away or trading it in yet. I haven't even fathomed like I'm about to get a Trackhawk, y'all. Really, like I haven't fathomed that at all. You know, oh, I'm out of there. Hold on, boy. Oh, hold on, boy. Uh-oh. Uno, dos. Oh, my God. Jesus Christ. Yeah, like like even the freaking downshifts, CEEFAM, like the downshifts don't even feel as aggressive without the cold air intake. It's amazing how big of a difference just an intake can make on your car, on your engine, the sound and all that, y'all. Like, you know, people say that intakes don't really give you power unless you get the JLT one. I don't know. I feel like I really don't know, because they all advertise 15 to 20 rear wheel horsepower, or you know what I mean, whatever. They all advertise at least 10 to like 20, right? So I wonder if that's like if you tune it, or if it's just shit, you bolt that bit on and yeah, you good to go, man. But yeah, CEEFAM, I'm just giving y'all, man, shit, little like slight POV, because this is pretty much the last time I'm gonna be driving this car, man. They had told me, it was like, hey, look, we'll give you the Trackhawk on a full tank of gas if you bring the Hellcat back to us on a full tank of gas. Which in theory, initially I was like, bro, you know what? Y'all really finessing, because I really had to drive 4 hours. So that means I had to fill up before I left and also fill up again, right, as I like as soon as I get there, fill up again, you know. But it usually probably take me like half a tank just to drive 4 hours. And like I said, y'all really be cruising, you know. I'm just in the custom mode right now because, yeah, this is just video purposes. Usually I'm on auto with the little leaf to save fuel and all that, bro. I usually just be cruising, bro. So, but yeah, and they also did my car inspection, I guess, for me. That was like €100. So I was like, you know what? In a way, I guess that's one less thing I gotta worry about, you know. So I don't have to do the inspection. They did it for me, which is pretty cool. Shout out to them, man. Ramstein, CarMax, you know. Shout out to them boys for that. But oh, hold on, boy. Oh shit. I'm out of there. Oh my god, boy. But yeah, I will miss this car, CEEFAM. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This car was great. As y'all know, no issues, no car accidents, no negligence of this car, no bad incidents, no nothing with this car, y'all, right? Like, this car has been great. It's been perfect to me, bro. Like I said, I just hope that the next owner, whoever that may be, is safe throughout this winter. Cause yeah, me getting the Trackhawk is perfect for the winter, perfect for everything, bro. Kids, whatever it is, bro. I'm just upgrading, CEEFAM, you know. So yeah, anybody that unsubscribe, I totally understand, right? But how can you unsubscribe whenever I'm getting pretty much the same car but better, right? We got the same engine, but I'm all-wheel drive, right? Like it's a better car with the same engine. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So anybody that unsubscribe, really just hating and really just don't want to see me do well, bro. And that's totally understandable, bro. Like you can't like how can I say it? You can't satisfy everybody, y'all. You know, people come, people go. That's just the straight nature of life, y'all. And that's just straight up. You heard me? But hey, I appreciate everybody who support. I appreciate everybody who should like the video, right? Liking the video is free. I appreciate everybody who comment. Commenting on the video is optional, but it's free, you know. That'll help me get up there in the algorithm, man. And shit, I'm starting to get 1,000 views per video, 1,000 my last 2 videos, man. So yeah, I appreciate y'all, shit, you know, tuning in. Maybe y'all eager to see the Trackhawk, I don't know, but hey, I definitely appreciate y'all boys, man. You know, any little support is better than no support at all, CEEFAM. So thank y'all, man. But yeah, I'm gonna probably get back at y'all once we get a little bit closer, man, and once we actually to the dealership, bro. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all though. Oh yeah, CEEFAM. About to try to hit that bit again right quick. Bro, stock intake does not sound good, y'all. Honestly, bro. Like, I really miss my little intake, I ain't gonna lie. But it's cool, man. I'm just glad that the Trackhawk actually come with an intake, bro. I think they have a JLT intake already on there, which I gotta see how the sound is. You know, I think I've only ever done... I don't remember if I had a JLT intake on my last Trackhawk. I don't remember, bro. Oh, yeah, get over, my boy. Get over, my boy. Jesus Christ. Bro, I can like see the hood. That bit like it be wanting to come up. I swear, y'all. Like, I be wanting to push this boy more, but honestly, I'm just trying to have fun with it before I turn it in. You know, y'all, I'm not into dogging it or nothing like that, y'all. I just want to have fun, right? Enjoy my last little memory, with the car, man. You know, I'll probably watch this video, y'all, like 2-3 times, maybe. You know, fun fact, y'all. Like, after the videos drop, like, I usually watch it like that one time and I never watch my own videos again. It's just cringy to me to watch my own videos, bro. I don't know. It's just me, though. Like, I don't like really watching myself. Like, I already got to watch myself whenever I'm editing it. Then I usually watch it right whenever it drop. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So, but yeah, let me know if y'all can hear the intake, bro. Watch downshift. Okay, a little something. You heard me? Nothing too crazy. And like on these cars, you gotta shift it like I'll try to shift it like 5,500 RPMs, man. You know, like 5,500. You know, But it is what it is. It's not bad. But yeah, CEEFAM, just want to give y'all boys some light pulls right quick. Nothing too crazy. I really wonder how the audio is, if y'all can hear this bit, man. Come on, little Volks. Then they got the Volkswagen in front of me. Oh, I'm out of there. Oh my God. Yeah, sir. Hey, this car, and like I can only imagine the damn Trackhawk too, y'all. I can only imagine all-wheel drive. That bit is hook and book. Hey, the Trackhawk gonna be hook and book, goddamn H&B. That bit hooky and booky. Oh yeah, I know it. So yeah, if I'm pretty much pulling on these tires right here. This is obviously a rear-wheel drive car. Imagine the thracky is over with, boy. It's over, bro. So yeah, CEEFAM, I'm about an hour out now, man. You know, we started at like four hours and some change. I was supposed to get there like 9:40. Now I'm projected to get there like 9:09. Y'all be doing the dash, bro. And you know, for the majority of the highway or the autobahn, y'all, there's no speed limit, so you can really do the dash, like, you know, really go crazy. But yeah, CEEFAM, hey, safety first, man. Shit, I'm not trying to do nothing too horrendous, nothing too crazy to jeopardize my trade-in. To do, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get there fast but safe, you know. Smooth is steady, steady is fast, man. So hey, always remember that, bro. You know, the car ain't going nowhere. It's already solidified. I paid for it. I got the temp tags already up there, you know. So hey, I did everything I'm supposed to do, y'all. The last part of the puzzle is just making it there safe, y'all. So hey, I'll holler at y'all. CEEFAM, it's literally snowing in K-Town right now, bro. This is the first time I've gotten snow in Germany, at least this time around, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro, but it's dead ass snowing out here, y'all, for sure. So shit, your boy definitely driving cautious, definitely being safe. As y'all see, shit, that's the fast lane. I'm in the middle lane, bro. The big trucks, 18-wheelers should be in the right lane, y'all. I'm chilling, man. I'm in no rush, like I said. But yeah, man, shit. Probably about 20 minutes away now. I'm just cruising there, bro. Man, but yeah, it's snowing pretty. I'm not gonna say pretty bad, you know. Still got good visibility, y'all. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all boys that, man. Good snow. The all-wheel drive cars, shit, them boys moving. That's why I'm saying I gotta get in the track, bro. Cause yeah, this rear-wheel drive in the snow in Germany, no sir. So yeah, man. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Just want to show y'all boys this snow. All right, CEEFAM, and just like that, that will conclude today's video, man. So finally made it to the gas station, y'all. The dealership is probably 3 minutes away, pretty much around the corner, CEEFAM. So yeah, just got to put gas in the car, man, and then turn the car in, y'all. So hey, stay tuned for the next video, CEEFAM. I'm literally about to just show y'all taking delivery of the Trackhawk, bro, turning the Hellcat in, and then yeah, hopping into something bigger, hopping into something better, CEEFAM. So yeah, hopefully, man, y'all boys proud of me, man. Hey, you can't make everybody proud, and I fully understand that, y'all. But hey, this is a step in the right direction, like I always say. Man, look at, man, one last time, bro. One last look at the Hellcat, y'all. Man, so many good memories with it, y'all. So much, you know. Don't even look at me, bro. Don't even look at me, CEEFAM. Look at the Hellcat, dog. Snap. Yep, last looks, man. But yeah, CEEFAM, hey, y'all see the snow coming in your boy hair, bro. I appreciate y'all, bro, from the bottom of my heart, CEEFAM. It's sad to let it go, but hey, it's gonna be worth letting go, man. All right, so y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Shit, I'm C Will, and y'all my CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby.